Hey Cameron, I spoke with Olivia this morning and I've been doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you guys this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do to begin to beat out the competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can grow your business, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take these tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video once you watch it. So let's jump right in. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is any writing that you see on this home screen of yours. And Google typically likes to see 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And as you can see, you are lacking in that content. Google is a bot and can only read, so the more content, the better. In Google's eyes, content is king. And you need that 1,500 words because there's important keywords that people are typing to look for your service each and every month. So I did a quick search for plumbing Cincinnati, Ohio, and BenjaminFranklinPlumbing.com, his Cincinnati page, is pulling up in first to see what kind of content he has on his homepage. So as we scroll down, you can see he does have some content here, and even these pictures and what they're saved as is considered content in Google's eyes. So you want keywords for those. But as we scroll down, content, but he doesn't have too much, so maybe 200 words. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich content for your homepage, you would easily beat him in that aspect. Now let's go back to this plumbing Cincinnati, Ohio search. Now, Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here. It's cost per click, and 9 times out of the 10, you don't know if they're legit leads or not. People could bogus click on them. But like I said, they become a money pit, and if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, you don't need to be running ads. So I'm going to touch base on this middle section. It's called the GMB, or Google Map Pack. So as you can see, Jim the Plumber LLC is in first place. Now what dictates your ranking in this section is called a citation. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook even has a spot for them. But I have a local citation finder tool that I use. It's called Whitespark CA, and this will tell me a basic overview of how many citations he has. So I plugged in Jim the Plumber and his information, and it's showing he has 51 citations. That's not a lot. It's very beatable. So as we scroll down, we can see all his citation sources all laid out to be submitted for your business. We can go out and get each and every one of these, and then I'd like to go and add 100, 200 more to really beat these guys out, and plus to get your name in more directories. Now, as you can see, he has maybe 30 of these are actually powering his citations, and this domain authority is how powerful they are. They're not created equal. So as you can see, the lower we go, the less powerful they get. So we want more powerful ones for you guys. So now let's go back. Now this bottom section and third and almost most important section is called the organic section. Now this deals directly with your website. And what ranks you in this section is called a backlink. So backlinks are when one website links to another website via a hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them somewhere. There's little blue writing that you click on and it takes you to another website. Well, that is that website giving the other website a backlink. And Google counts each and every one of those as votes. The more backlinks you have, the higher and better chance you have for ranking. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your guys' site up here, One Time Plumber, and this will show me a complete overview of your whole site and its stats. As you can see, you have a UR and a DR of 28 and 28, and these 2 numbers are very important, and you want these as close together as possible, just like you have them. But this is 0 from being the worst and 100 being the strongest. So you guys you're not that bad, but we want to get these numbers up higher because that's going to show you have more authority. So you have 232 referring domains, which is websites, giving you almost 2,500 backlinks. See, now these referring domains or websites, they're not created equal either, just like the citations. The ones that are transmitting power are these do follow links, and you have 139 out of your 232 that are actually transmitting power to your website. So you're ranking for 21,000 keywords and you're getting around 14,000 traffic to your website. But if we look at your competition, this is the Benjamin Franklin Plumbing page. He has a 25 and a 62. As you can see, this is the overall page trust flow of his website, and this is the strength of his backlink profile. So even though he only has 299 and 39 on this page, he has a main BenjaminFranklinPlumbing.com, which is powering his location pages, getting this strong DR score, which is keeping him at the top of the rankings. But the best part about this tool is, just like with the citations, we can go in and all his sources for his backlinks are all listed right here to be submitted for you guys. We can grab all these strong ones, 77, 80, 89. Like I said, these aren't created equal either. So they're all right there. But now I want to touch base on organic keywords, which is, these are actual search terms that people are typing in each and every month when they're looking for your service. So we want to go after these general ones like plumbing, Cincinnati, Ohio. This tells me that there's a volume of 100 people searching plumbing, Cincinnati, Ohio each and every month. And it has a KD of 17. That means keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for it. So 17 is not too bad. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. Plumber, Cincinnati, 100 searches a month, 22. Plumbers in Cincinnati, Ohio, 300 searches a month. That's 300 people looking for plumbers in Cincinnati, Ohio every month. Plumbers in Cincinnati, 150. Cincinnati plumbers, 100. Plumbers, Cincinnati, Ohio, 80. And the list goes on of keywords. But if you're not ranking in the top spots when people type this in, they're not going to see your page. As you see, they can see Benjamin Franklin when they type these keywords in, and they all differ. So let's touch base again on what we spoke about. First thing we went over was content. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your home page so you could fit those keywords that people are actually typing each month to find your service throughout it. The second thing we talked about was citations, which is what ranks you in this map pack section. Your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. I'd like to go out and get 100, maybe 200 for your guys' business, beat these guys out by a landslide, and plus get your name in more directories. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks, which is what powers your website and ranks you. So you guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Cameron. And remember, any and all feedback after you guys watch this video is greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.